Thank you for viewing solution 97566, creating the boot media for physical machine restores. In order to restore a save point to a physical machine, you must first create a CD or USB drive boot media and then boot the target server into the vRanger restore environment. When vRanger is installed, two restore image files are extracted to the service subdirectory of the vRanger installation folder. By default, this is under the Program Files or Program Files x86 directory, depending on your operating system. To navigate to it, I will go to the Quest software, and then vRanger, and finally the service directory. Here you will find the ISO and the IMG files. Let's move on to creating a bootable CD. It's important to note that the procedures for creating a bootable CD differ widely depending on the operating system and software used. The following procedures show how to use the native Windows 7 utility to create a bootable CD. If you have a different image burning application, please follow the instructions for that application. Of course, keep in mind that this procedure requires a blank CD and a writable CD drive. In preparation, I've already copied the ISO file to a machine with the CD burner and inserted a blank CD. To continue, I'll right-click on the ISO file, select Open with Windows Disk Image Burner. In the Disk Burner drop-down, select the drive containing the blank disk. Next, you'll click Burn. Once this completes, you can click Closed. It's also possible to create a bootable USB drive if your server hardware supports it. At the time of this recording, there are no native Windows utilities for creating a bootable USB drive from an IMG file, though there are freeware options available. Once you've completed creating the boot media, you can move on to booting the target server. Thank you for viewing this video solution. To learn more about Quest vRanger, visit quest.com/vRanger.